Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Nily AI. So Nily is an AI workspace where you are going to get access to a lot of different models, and to be precise, there are overall 20 plus AI models, and all of the latest models such as Claude Sonnet 4, the GPT 4.1, and then also the latest XAI model which is Grok 4. You're going to get access to all of these top AI models on one platform, which is going to be Nily. So you can use this in order to brainstorm, write, research, create any type of content you want. There is also an AI image generator on here that is also going to be super helpful when you want to create various images for your content. And other than that, there is also a Chrome extension of Nily AI that is going to help you in order to summarize any page. For example, you are on a page, you are on Wikipedia and you have opened an article. Now you do not want to read the whole article, you just want to get a summary, short summary. So you can do that super easily from the Chrome extension of Nily AI. So if you have used Voila or Marlin before, you will understand what Nily AI is. And Nily is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. As you can see, the price is only $59. And here are some of the features at a glance. So as you can see, there is going to be Chrome extension. So here are the features of the extension, and then you can also compare outputs in real time, which means outputs from various AI models. And then you can also manage your emails with AI, and then you can obviously use the image generation feature. So now let's have a look at all the plans. So currently there are only two tiers. So the tier 1 is going to cost you $59, and here you are going to get access to all the AI models, but you cannot bring your own API key. But on tier 2, which is going to cost $149, here you can bring your own API key. So this basically means you can use API in order to use the AI models as much as you want, but you cannot do that on tier 1. As for the queries per month, so this is only 3,000 on tier 1, but on tier 2 it is massive at 15,000. And then you can also add 2 different team members on license tier 1 of Nily, but on tier 2 you can add a lot of members, which is 5. And both of the tiers are going to give you almost the similar features such as the email assistant, AI chat, AI for LinkedIn, summarization, writing toolkit, code explainer, preview code, mermaid diagrams. So these features are going to be available on both of these tiers. And keep in mind, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you try it and if you do not like it, you can also refund it, get full refund within 60 days. So if you want to buy Nily AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And as you can see, there are already some reviews, and out of 5-star reviews, and it has already got over 4 ratings. Now let me show you how Nily AI is going to work. Okay, so as you can see, now we have logged into Nily AI. So here's the dashboard, and on the left side you can see all of the primary features of this tool. And currently we are in this chat section. So here we can chat about anything, ask anything to the AI, just like you do on ChatGPT or any other AI models. And as you can see, there are some recommended queries, and also I can obviously add my own query. I can type whatever question I have and then I can get the answer. I can also choose the model, exactly what model I want in order to get the answer. So here are the models, as you can see. So these are the flagship models. So ChatGPT 4.0, 4.1, which is the latest one, and then also Grok 4 from XAI, and also GPT-o4 mini, Claude 4 Sonnet. So this is one of the best models currently in the AI world, and also 2.5 Pro, 3.7 Sonnet, and Llama. And then there are also 2 models for reasoning. So DeepSeek R1, which is really good, and also ChatGPT-o3 mini. And then there are some specialized model, which means they are going to be used maybe for some specific or specialized purposes such as Perplexity. And you can also see when it was last updated, the max input, max output, all of these details are going to be here. And then also there is Mr. Large, so you can also exactly see what this AI model is for. So this particular model is very strong at factual task, multilingual work, analytical precision, excelling with European language and research tasks. So if you're from Europe, you might find this useful. And then also some legacy models, as you can see here are those. So obviously I can choose any model I want. For example, it is now selected to 4.0, but I can also select another if I want 2 different output. And now let me add a question on here. Okay, so as you can see, I have added a query. So it is about writing a Shakespeare style sonnet about smartphones. So let's send this, and as you can see, I have selected this model. So now let's send this and see what we get. So as you can see, we have got the sonnet and it's a really good one, and we can see a very clearly there is Shakespeare style formatted, blended into the writing. And you can also read it loud, you can copy it, or you can also regenerate it if you want. And obviously you can add a new model on here. For example, I also want output from this llama. So as you can see, now I have got two different models. So now if I send a query, I'm going to get answers from both of the models. So as you can see, here is the llama answer and also 𝗗𝗵𝘃𝗀𝘀. So just like this, I can add multiple AI models from this list, and then I can compare their results, compare their output in order to see what AI model is performing the best. But other than just sending text message, I can also send voice message. So now all I have to do is just give this permission, select the language, and then I can also record the audio input so that I can send audio input to the AI in order to talk to the AI, chat with the AI. And then I can also browse various prompts, pre-given prompts. So if I want to get summary, I can use this, key takeaways, questions. I can also fix grammar or even spelling. I can change the tone. As you can see, I have these options. Also change the length as well as change the structure. And then I can also upload image in order to ask anything about that particular image. And if I click on this plus icon, I can create a new chat, open a new tab or chat. And then other than this chat option, we also have playground. So once again, on this playground, you can compare the output of different AI models in real time. So you do not have to switch windows in order to see what AI model is going to give you the answer. So you do not have to do that. For example, if you want to compare three models, as you can see, you have to select this. Now you can select three different AI models and then see all of their results in real time in one page. You can also add 4 models, even 6 models. So 6 model is the most, and all you have to do is just provide your query on this box. And then all of these 6 models are going to give you the answer. And once again, there is the prompt library. So here is the prompt library, as you can see, all in one, this prompt, script translator, email support. So there are a lot of prompts. You can see all of your prompts, also save prompts. You can also add more prompts on here if you want. So these are basically the options or features of chat, where you can directly chat with any specific AI model. And on the playground, you can ask a single question and all of the AIs are going to give you answer. At the highest, you can add 6 AI models, and lowest, you can add 2 different AI models in order to compare their results. So after this chat option, we have image option. We can generate various image. There are also various design tools. Let me show you the tools. So on this design tool, I think you can create logo, sticker, poster, and you can also see the AI models you have for that. So Ideogram 2.0 is very good at that. And then there is even an image editor. So here you can edit any image. Okay, so I have uploaded the image. Now I can remove the background, upscale it, or even change the background. So let me remove the background and let's see what we get. Okay, I'm not sure why the removing background feature is not working. Let me try once again. Okay, so this time let's try this change background. I can also change it with AI. So I can describe anything about the background and the AI is going to add that. But I'm just going to select a solid color, this particular one. Let's confirm it. So as you can see, the background color has changed and it has done an excellent job. I have to say that. I can also compare it to the original, as you can see. And there are also 2 upcoming features on here. That is, one is going to be remove brushed area. So you can brush a certain area and then remove that. And then also removing text from images. So now I can download it. I can also remove this particular image or see the history. So this is the image editor. There is also going to be some upcoming features such as video generation, real-time generation, and real-time canvas. So let me try this image generation feature. Let's see what kind of image we get. So we have a lot of models, image models, and I'm really impressed with the choice of image models they have, because they have Ideogram 3.0, which is amazing. Recraft 3, once again amazing. Flux Context Pro, once again one of the best AI image models currently. Props for that they have added all the recent AI models. So I'm just going to select this Ideogram 3.0, and then I can also select a preset style. I'm just going to keep it realistic. Color palette, it's going to be auto, and select the aspect ratio 16:9. And now let me describe the image. So for example, I want the AI Ideogram 3.0 to generate a flying car with a cat on it. So I'm going to get 2 images. If I select 2 on here, let's see what kind of image we get. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the image and it simply looks amazing. As you can see, both of them are simply amazing. So this is how you can get super crispy image with image generation feature on Nily AI, and you have all the latest AI models, all the latest AI image models on here. And then there are also some other tools such as the email tool. All I have to do is add my documents, upload my documents on here, or even add my website. So this way I have to create the knowledge base in order to train the AI to write emails. So that makes sense, because without any context, without the knowledge base, the AI is not going to understand what kind of emails you want for your brand. So if you upload your knowledge base, and the knowledge base could be on document, for example, it could be a PDF text or docx file about your company, or you can simply provide your website on here. That is going to be even more easier. So this way you can super easily write the email with Nily AI. And then there is also going to be social post, another feature. So here you can create various social posts for your social media. So you can create a text post. Okay, so they have integration for LinkedIn. You have to connect your LinkedIn in order to directly post your content on LinkedIn. And then you can also create carousel post, which is amazing. They have some of the templates, as you can see. I hope they add more templates soon. So you can also create various carousels and also video post, but this feature is going to come soon. And then you can also connect your LinkedIn account on here as well as Twitter account. So once you connect your accounts, what you can do is share post on those platforms directly from Nily, which is going to save you a lot of time. And you can see all of your draft posts on here, all the scheduled ones as well as posted ones. And then there is this write option. So here, so this is probably the document editor, which is very similar to Google Docs, I think. But here you're going to get AI, obviously, in order to help you write. So as you can see, here is the document editor. You have all the text formatting options. On the left side, I can change various template settings. Various use cases are here. So you can also mention your use case in order to write the content. So all you have to do is just select a language, tone, select the use case, primary keyword, and then you can generate the text. And then you can also chat with the AI in order to tell the AI what kind of content you want, and the AI is going to deliver exactly that. And then you can also chat with various YouTube videos. So let me upload a video on here. Okay, so for example, I'm going to upload this video. So all I have to do is just provide the URL, click on load video. Okay, so the video is now loaded. Now I can ask any question about this video. For example, what this video is about. So let's see what we get. So as you can see, we have got a very good answer from the AI. So this video is about an AI integrated development environment named 𝗗𝗲. So this is amazing. Just like this, you can upload any YouTube video on here, and then you can ask questions about the video on this particular AI. And then you can even chat with your PDF file. So let me upload a PDF file. So as you can see, I have uploaded a PDF file, mastering SEO basics. And from this file, for example, I want to ask a question. So what's the foundation of SEO? So as you can see, it is keywords. So let's see if the AI can answer that, read that. So I have sent my answer. Let's see. As you can see, the foundation of SEO is keywords. So this feature is also working very well. And other than that, you can also chat with the YouTube that I already showed you. You can also humanize your content. When you are writing content for your clients or for different purposes, the AI detectors are going to detect that you have used AI, even sometimes when you don't use AI. So in order to bypass AI content, all you can do is provide your content on here and then click on humanize, and the AI, this Nily AI is going to humanize that content so that no AI content detector can track or detect that your content is written by AI. And also there is an AI detector, as you can see on here. And other than that, there are also some other AI tools such as chat with YouTube, social, carousels, post maker, mind map. So let me open this mind map. As you can see, here is the mind map, and also some toolkits such as creating flashcard, chat with YouTube, chat with PDF, and AI notes. Let me try this mind map. Let's see if we can get a mind map on here. Okay, so for example, I want a mind map about population decline. So let me generate this. Let's see what we get. Okay, so as you can see, we have got a very good, okay, it is still working and it looks very good. We have got a very good but basic, but it is filled with all the different factors or knowledge that you want, that you need for this population decline, this particular concept. Okay, so they also have a Chrome extension. As you can see, I have opened the Chrome extension. So let me add this one. Okay, so it is now being added. And now let me open this. Okay, it has automatically opened. Now I want to pin this. So as you can see, it is here. Now, for example, if I go to some other page. So as you can see, currently I have opened Wikipedia, and I can also open the sidebar, AI sidebar of Nily AI. And then I can use it in order to summarize or do something else. I can also choose the AI models, directly use it on here. And also there are some more features, as you can see. So I can also make use of these tools. But for example, if I want to summarize this, I can just select this particular text and then right click. And then as you can see, this AI is now giving me some features. So I can review the selection, summarize it, or get some key takeaways, or get some questions. I can also edit the selection. For example, I want to just summarize it. Okay, so I can also reply it with positive or negative. That is going to be helpful when you want to write replies on social media posts. So I'm just going to summarize this and let's see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, this was the text that I selected on this left side, and we have got the summary. So just like this, with the Chrome extension, I can get summary or fix grammar or reply to any social media post on the go with the Chrome extension. So overall, I think Nily AI is an excellent tool that is going to give you access to 20+ AI models. You can use those AI models to write your content, write content for social media, generate images, edit images, and you can also create carousels. There are so many things that you can do with Nily AI, and they also have a very good Chrome extension that is going to help you get summary or any other AI features on the go when you are browsing a web page or some website. So if you want to buy Nily AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get these 2 tiers, and these are the features of each of these tiers.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.